woman to woman. Maybe you're a mom, maybe you're a wife, you're a breadwinner, a daughter who's taking care of her parents. Maybe you're someone everyone is depending on. And somewhere along the way, you forgot that you are human too, that you have your own needs, that you also need to take care of yourself, that you have dreams that has nothing to do of being a wife or a mother. You have gifts that has nothing to do of being a mom, and that you have a life more than the responsibilities that you carry. You do not have to stop loving them. You don't have to stop showing up for them. But please, do not disappear from your own life just because you're too busy taking care of everyone else. There is so much more of you than what you are capable to give. And maybe this message is a reminder, just just a reminder that you are allowed to come home to yourself. You deserve to come home.